In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix laggy Android tablet. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, Android lag is often a byproduct of the Android 16 system re-indexing files after an update or ghost process for unoptimized AI features. So the best way to do it is the animation speed hack. So what we're going to do, swipe down on the top right, it's going to show our control panel, then click the settings icon. Scroll down towards the bottom and you're going to see about phone as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. Then find your build number and tap on it 7 times. And then all you want to do is go back. And then you're going to see developer options as one of the options. Now scroll to the drawing section and change the 3 settings from 1x to 0.5x. So what you want to do is find window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. This is going to make things a lot faster because it's going to change the speed for them. Now, if your phone is lagging specifically like after an update, all temporary files are likely crashing. So what you want to do is turn off your phone, hold the volume up and power button in the until the recovery menu appears, which is the Android robot. Then use the volume buttons to select wipe cache partition and press power to confirm. Then select reboot system now. Just don't worry, this won't delete any of your photos or apps, anything like that as well. And also what you can go ahead and do is go over to your settings. So we're going to go back. Then we're going to go to device care. Now, once you're in device care, go ahead and click on memory. And then once you're in memory, all you got to do is check for a feature called RAM Plus or Virtual RAM. Now, turning it off might also help as well, but you can also see this clean now method. That's going to also clean your memory too. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.